na ginawa ni Mayor Strike with partnership with MWEL. At tapos, through the leadership of the national government, through PhilHealth, mas sustainable. No? So, ito yung mga gusto kong matutunan ngayong araw na ito sa pagbisita ko kay Mayor Strike. And I'm very grateful as a colleague, as a mayor, kasi ang Bacoor at ang Maynila, totoo po yung sinabi ni Mayor Strike, napakalaki po ng aming mga populasyon. At talagang tutukod kami sa mga tustusin para matugunan yung pangangailangan pangkalusugan ng aming presidente. So, I think this is what we call the leadership, rising leadership ni Mayor Strike up for the challenge siya by top